All right, welcome back. You might have the question, how many days a week should I run if I want to start a running habit? And I actually just have a very straightforward answer for you. I think 3 days a week is right on the money, and I am going to tell you exactly why I think that's the case. If you do happen to want to start a running habit, I have a legitimately completely free 21-day guide linked right here. And it walks you through exactly what you need to do to go from I've never done any running before to I am out doing the thing, starting to build the habit. All right, so there are just a couple of really big reasons why 3 days a week works so well for beginner runners. The first is most people can fit it into their schedule. It's less than an hour each time you go out, which I think most people reasonably can say, yes, I can find 3 hours in my day. I've seen people try and do way more at the start and they burn out either because physically they get too tired or they just think that they can't keep up the habit because they have to go 5 or 6 days a week. The other really big reason that I see is it gives our body time to recover and adapt, especially for new runners. We need that recovery time. The reason 3 works so well for that is you have a day off in between each run day, so run off, but then you get 2 days in a row. The reason that is a big deal, in my opinion, is it gives you plenty of time to physically recover. And if you feel fine, you can do a walk, you can do an easy bike, you can do a stretch. So I think it gives you the opportunity to easily advance into 4 days a week without having a huge stressor on your body. And really, we see a lot of physiological, a lot of body adaptations in terms of cardiovascular health, in terms of cardiovascular fitness with just those 3 days a week. So if you want to progress after that, amazing. We can absolutely do that. We'll have programs for you. If you don't, if 3 days a week is what really gets you right, gets your body feeling good, and that's just what we stay with for our habit and we get in a rhythm with it, I'm totally okay with that too. I'm sure you've heard it before. There are a lot of different things that may pop up when you're starting a new exercise routine, whether for running, it's shin splints or your knees hurt or IT band gets tight. There are all sorts of things that you might run into. And I think when we start where we are right here, like on this, I'll link it again, video with the 21-day running challenge, I think it really gives you the opportunity to get in the habit and avoid the vast majority of the problems that new runners face. And we do that just by maintaining a reasonable amount of intensity and a reasonable amount of progression as we go through. So that's it for right now. I think 3 days a week for your actual running is perfect. If you want, you can add a fourth day of some easy walking and always encourage some stretching. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.